This is one of the hanging bridge. You can see here in Jammu and Kashmir. This is one of this bridge. It is the old bridge. Vehicles will is this is the landscape of Jammu. They're going somewhere they here. Okay. Look at this place, what a beautiful places. Yes, what a beautiful places. Travel. Oh, wonderful places. These are the mountains. Wow. What a beauty of these places. Look at this. This is the travel. This is the places of Jammu. Roads are little
zigzag and rough and tough.
Hey, hallelujah.